Gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done creating this look, and if you guys want to see how I created this type of look super easy, then please stay tuned. All right guys, so I already primed my eyes and I did my face off camera just for the purpose of the video. So we're just going to begin with this eye tutorial. I'm going to be using this palette right here, the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. The reason why is because I definitely want to play with the reds and the burgundies, just because the holidays are coming and I'm super excited for the holidays. Holidays. All right, enough about that. Let's just begin. But first, I'm going to set my face because I already did my foundation and everything and I don't want it to mess up my face. Now let's begin because I'm looking a little bit crazy. So I'm going to be using this burgundy color and the name is Crazy. I'm going to place that all over my eyelid. I'm going to be using a flat brush like this and just pat that on the eyelid. It's a beautiful burgundy color. So now I'm just trying to intensify the burgundy just to make it more brighter. All right, that's gorgeous. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a smaller taper brush like this. I'm going to place on top of that burgundy color on my crease area. I'm going to place Living My Best, that red color right here. Tap it a little bit because now I'm going to smoke it out with the red. So I'm placing it right next to that burgundy color. And then I grab that burgundy again and bring that color back. I'm liking that. So now I'm just going to blend it. So yeah guys, all I'm doing is just blending the red and the burgundy just so it can mash together. But I'm not trying to blend it too hard because then that red will turn into like a pinkish color and we don't want that. So that's why I'm doing it super gentle and take your time. Alright, so now I'm going to be using Certified, this cream color right here, and I'm going to place that on top of my brow bone, and I'm going to use my flat brush right here, and this is Morphe M152. Grab that little color, and I'm just going to dab it on my brow bone. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wing my eyes. I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup Epic ink, and I'm going to do that wing. Alright guys, so I already did my lashes. Now we're going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to do my waterline, and I'm just going to use the same two colors, the burgundy, and this is Crazy, and Living My Best Life. I'm going to use a brush like this, a flat brush, and I'm going to use that Crazy color first. I'm going to place that in my waterline. And then I'm going to use that Living My Best Life, that red color, and place it on the bottom. I'm going to use a pencil brush like this, and I'm just going to blend that out. Just like this. And now I'm going to be using my Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eye Pencil in black. And I'm just going to place that on my waterline. Alright, just like this. So now in my inner corner, I'm going to place this little glitter, just like this, in gold. Place that right here. Just to give it a little pop on the eyes. Just like that. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add this little purplish glitter color. I'm going to place that right near that gold color. You don't have to do this stuff if you don't want to. Super cute. I like that. Give it a little pop of gold and purple. I like that. I'm going to use this lip gloss lipstick from Wet n Wild, and this is Color Icon lip gloss in burgundy. I'm going to open this up. Haven't used this yet, so we're going to see how this looks. Wipe that down. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye tutorial using the reds and burgundy color. And if you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.